Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video again with lumberjack. You know, say this recipe I got nice, eatable, tasteable. So please watch the video to the end, like and share. Recipe for today: vegetable and rice and peas, right? So we have a vegetable pot today. Recipe named vegetable pot. So please like and share. Hey guys, welcome back to lumberjack kitchen. Recipe for today: some vegetable with rice and peas. I'm going to show you all my ingredients when I'm using my recipe. First on the list, we have coconut here, we have the celery right here, we have some peas with pimento and garlic. So we have the spice there, we have Irish, we have butter, plantain, we have some cauliflower, we have cabbage, we have onion, we have pumpkin, pepper, cock soup, we have some lemon known as lime to make some juice, we have scallion, thyme, we have some okra right here, we have the garlic and some pimento seeds. So you can see these are my ingredients I'm going to use in my recipe. So please watch the video to the end, like and share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. The recipe I got nice, finger licking, tasteable. Guys, I can't do it without you know. So I want to subscribe, like and share. Give thanks to all of you. You give me the support. Yes, some people sit there outside you know. So I put on the peas, go on pressure. Right, you know, so outside on the cold store red there and pretty. Yeah, man, see fire there. No joke, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, it's like one pressure down now. Alright, my peeps there. Starting by washing the vegetable, right? Yes, the water running to the vegetable there. So you don't know. Alright, I'm gonna show you how I clean up my vegetable and thing. Cut them up and thing. Starting by cut up my cabbage, right? Like these, right? Cut up small, like this. Cut up my cauliflower like these. You can see, cut them small like these. Alright, people starting by stripping my color like this, right? You have to strip off the waste off it now. Like them thing here, the waste. Strip it off like this. So you box it like this now, four, like this, and cut it up like this. The recipe I got nice man, eatable, tasteable, delicious, finger licking. Jamaican cooking it lumberjack, you know. Yeah, my peace man. The recipe enjoy, tasteable, delicious. So you strip them like this. So you have the long thing off like this. You can see carefully. Yeah. And split it like this. Me split it me do it my way. You do it your way, but this way is the best way. Me know how me see my father and my grandparents and it, right? You can see there, right there, alright. Starting by cut up the pumpkin like this. Starting by cut up my Irish. Starting by cut up my carrot like this. Starting by cut up my onion like this. And my okra like this. Okra again. pepper, scallion, garlic, more pumpkin, pumpkin again, thyme wash off, pimento seed, garlic again, throw in a cup soup, little all-purpose Maggi, starting to put in callaloo and cabbage. Full up and I push it down, pack up. You know, it have a swing still. The pack faster than a mountain in the air. I'm going to add a little water like this into it. I don't want it to burn. We're going to keep the cooking like this into it same here. People see the waste right there. That's that. So I'm going to cover it down like this. Push it down like this. Yeah, my piece of the pizza pressure there. Fire well hot and right equal way. Red like a fire. You can see vegetable outside on the fire then long, so see there. See it? Still high up same here. I make it go on steam. People see there. Yeah man, you can see what I want now though. That's steam there. Alright, I'll stir it up on them, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna take it off, right? Yeah. I'll stir it like this. Peeps, so look like that. See it? Yeah, man. So if you want to steam some more, see it. You want 5 more minutes, alright? Vegetable pot. And stay 5 more minutes. Alright, peeps, it there. Vegetable ready and on, you know? Yeah, man. Remember, subscribe to Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack. Yes, my people, dinner time, you know? Yeah, man, vegetable pot ready and on. So, I say outside